Thank you, Julio. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, companions. I will expose estimation of the potential market. Short-term estimate of prototypes and service. It is important to take into account weight market estimate to have a finalized plans in order to provide economic inviability to a project should have each and every one of the indicators that have a direct impact on the time of the execution are identification. Always with the suspicion of the welling along the weight and the putting before each and every one of the necessary and real insights that can be present before, during, and after undertaking the project to avoid feelings into improvisation. That is why the following is project in initial investigation. Continued general regulation for drones operation. Regularity circular number 2 of the 740. General airworthiness and the operation requirements for repass. Resolution number 4201 of the December of 250 and the to be which provision of the operation of what's aircraft system of the are the included into the draft 81 als aeronautic regulation of Colombia RAF 4 standards of airworthiness and the aircraft operation aeronautical regulation of the Colombia RAF 81 general rules of flight and operation aeronautical regulations of Colombia RAF sanctioning general scope application. The requirements for the operation of unmanned aircraft system with a maximum takeoff weight mass, grade tabs, use in a civil activities, whatever, and the purpose of the use that is carried out with the airspace and with the Colombian state has jurisdiction without prejudice to the provisions of international agreements to which Colombia is a party. Sanctionally faculty the special administrative of civil aeronautic in accordance with Article 55 of the 1903 administrative sanctionage individuals natural of the legal person related to the sector for the fibrillation aeronautical regulation and the other regulation that regulate aeronautical activities. Thank you, teacher. Continue, Jose.